Spell App is a website that allows you to write impressively good documents in seconds. It claims to be a superhuman document writing co-pilot that allows you to write and edit your documents in natural language. And then, of course, you can share and collaborate with your team. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and I'm going to go with my typical prompt whenever I'm using a new large language model or a new platform with a chat interface for the first time, which is, of course, what is the meaning of life? I think this is a good litmus test. You can have your own sort of litmus test with regards to the things that you actually, use to benchmark large language models in terms of their responses. So as you can see here, it's giving us a very basic and concise answer, which is pretty decent. This is, of course, just a entry-level prompt. So it starts talking about religions, philosophy, science as well. Unfortunately, the meaning of life is subjective and can vary widely for each individual. Okay, cool. So I can copy this, or I can click insert and insert it right there. So what I'm going to say now is expand more on the philosophical perspective. Okay, cool. Nice, that's pretty quick. So I can easily just insert this here. I'm gonna touch this up here as well. Okay, cool. And this is pretty interesting. I think what I want to do now is I want to let me format this a little bit. So instead of that, I'll just leave it there and I'll get rid of that. I'll call this exploring perspectives on life's meaning. And let's say I want to, I'll just leave the philosophical section here. Philosophical. And let's say I also want to talk about the religious perspective as well. So I'll just copy this and I'll just change this to religious. Okay, cool. And what I'll do is I'll actually just copy and paste that in here. Now, of course, you always want to read the large language model output. And what you can do is you can just place your cursor exactly where you want to paste, whatever you've got as an output from the large language model. Just click insert, and that's in there easily. Cool. And then lastly, of course, I want to add the scientific perspective as well. So I'm going to say expand more on the scientific perspective. And I'm going to create another subheading here. I'm going to say, I'm just going to say scientific perspective. And I'm just going to insert that in here like so. Cool, nice and easy. So yeah, definitely check this out. I think this is a cool way to start drafting out any sort of essays you've got or any piece of lengthy text that you may need research for. It's kind of similar to ChatGPT's Canvas feature. But yeah, I think this is another interesting sort of way to write documents and easily copy the information you get from research. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.